Hello everyone, my name is Kazz. I'm a product manager at Wisdomise, and today we're going to walk through how we can connect a financial product on the Wisdomise platform so you can use the passive income investment feature. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you need to log into the dashboard and you can see the investment tab and the financial products over here. There are three different factors that you have to consider when you want to choose one of these financial products. Firstly, is the max drawdown and the amount of risk that you guys want to take. There are various ones from 34% to 7%, 8%, different kind of risk factors that you could take. And secondly is the max APY that each of these can generate profit. And thirdly is the mix of the coins used within each of the financial products. All of these financial products are made with AI and they are fully AI based, generated from the signals it generates from all the way to execution, and they're constantly dynamically optimized based on the trend of the market and how each coin is performing in that minute. So these are very highly optimized financial products that you could use for a short amount of times and longer time periods. So let's just go through quickly about what's the difference between each of these financial products. As you can see, Light Strategy is our free financial product. You can connect to them without the need of any kind of subscription. It's a single Solana coin. Altfolio, just as the way the name suggests, it's a mixture of different kind of altcoins, ranging from BNB, Solana, or ADA, Cardano, and all these different kind of coins. Range Master is basically made for times that the market is not so volatile and it works in a range horizon. Fusion Maximalist Strategy is mostly focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's made for people who just want to focus on these two coins. Adventure is also another Solana-based financial product, and Dynamic Momentum Strategy is a mix of high trading, high volume coins. Based on your risk appetite and your preferences, you can choose whichever you want. Let's move into trying to activate one of these financial products. So before you can activate one of them, it's important that you read the description of each of these financial products so you can understand how does the AI actually work, what are the models trained on, and how do they actually perform. You can also check the back test performance of these financial products based to other compared to other assets such as Bitcoin, gold, and S&P 500 stocks, and you can make the it will help you while choosing a financial product. Let's go ahead and activate one of these products. One important thing that we have to consider when we want to set up a financial product is that there are two different ways that we can connect our wallets into the system. Firstly is using a Wisdomise account. As you can see over here, Wisdomise account or a Wisdomise wallet is exactly like opening a wallet on Binance sub account. It's 100% secure and it's very easy to create. We just host it on our website, so you don't have to go and open a Binance wallet on the Binance website. And the second way is that you can press on connect a new account and connect your already built Binance wallet with a IPI key and a secret key. Whenever you press on this button, you get an automated email with a video explaining how exactly you can connect your Binance wallet, so there's no need to worry about that. Let's go ahead and create a Wisdomise account. After that, the third thing that you have to consider is that when you want to invest more than $1,000, you need to KYC within our product. But below $1,000, you do not need to do any kind of KYC, and it's frictionless. You can press go to dashboard and instantly start using the platform. So it's very important that you try the product before you try to KYC. You can put it up to $1,000 and try to get the product started, and then you can go and use the KYC feature and try to invest more. Let's go ahead and start the financial product. We scroll down here, we press on start, and since this is a new account, we have to deposit some money into the account. So I'll scroll up right here, press on my wallet, and deposit it into the account. There are three different chains that you can spend your USDT on, either the Binance chain, Ethereum chain, or TRX Tron chain. And you can just simply manually send your transactions through these wallets, and you will have your wallet updated with the amount of money that you have. and you can start trading without any issues. And also, if you have a Binance account connected, you can just add funds to your Binance account and it will automatically start over here. Best of luck on your investments, and see you in the next video.